Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel.
I want you to jump. Jump. Like you trying to get stuck in it. In the air. Like you trying to get stuck in the air. Up in the air.
But yes, as you can tell, wait, I have a really big head. Apparently every beauty guru that's a guy like always has their hat like this, so I guess if I'm gonna do like a beauty thing, then I should wear my hat like this. But as you can tell from the title of this video, I am gonna be a little bit different over here on Dior Duo, and we are going to do me trying to do, what is her name? Thomas Halbert. Sorry, I'm from Texas. They don't teach you how to pronounce words. I'm gonna try following Thomas Halbert, following Jeffree Star's makeup tutorial. So it's gonna be like a video inside a video inside a video. And I'm gonna be following him, following Jeffree Star, following me, following him, following Jeffree Star. Let's start it. Yes.
That was a lot.
That was like the fakest laugh ever. Are you throwing shade at Jeffree? I'm gonna need you to not, because Jeffree's my girl. This is gonna be a shade video. If this is gonna turn into a shade video, I ain't playing with you.
Okay, so maybe let's try a different video. That one looks a little bit too easy. What's this one?
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I created this fantasy, then keep on watching. Alright, let's dive into this.
Ooh. I was not expecting that! Ooh, I was not expecting that! Oh my god. I was not expecting this to go scalp her wig off. Ooh.
Bitch, you look the same motherfucking way.
Going into one of my all-time favorites, the Sicily Double Tensier.
Okay, I've heard a lot about this primer, so let me look up how much. What is this? The Sicily primer. Okay, I honestly don't know the prices.
Sicily primer, it's $192. I don't really do primer. What I do use is MAC Prep and Prime. I am a MAC girl. Everything I have is MAC except for this Morphe palette. Hi sisters!
Using my version of a bougie primer, which is the YSL Touche Eclat Blur Primer.
Primer.
This one is everything. So I'm gonna, of course, coat my fingers and rub this all over my face. For foundation today, I'm gonna...
Calm down. Okay.
Oh, wait, okay.
So rub it all over the face. Don't do that. Minus my forehead. I don't have a forehead. I mean, I do, but like...
Going in with something I haven't really used on camera before. It is from the brand Guerlain, and this is the...
Oh, girl, you have money. Oh, you have money. Well, I'm going to be going into Maybelline.
So I'm going to be going into MAC, because like I said, I'm a MAC whore, okay? And yeah, of course Jeffree has money, okay? He gets everything in a PR package. Girl, wish I did too. Come on, PR. Put me on your PR list. I'm another beauty guru. Okay, I'm a beauty guru.
Matte and poreless, or I could go into my Lancome. I could, you know, step my punani up a little bit. I'll go into my Lancome Teint Idol Ultra 24-hour makeup. I don't have Guerlain money. He does.
Now let's get a little damp beauty blender and
I'll take my Japanese sponge. So he applies it to the beauty sponge. So I'm gonna apply it to the beauty sponge. So I'm gonna take that many, and I'm just going to, and he does a bunch all over the face, right? Yeah, okay.
So he puts it on here. I never do this. I always put it on the back of my hand. But let's do this.
For concealer today, I'm going to be going in with the new NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer.
Okay, so I don't have that.
It's okay, I ain't got that either.
My current favorite concealer, which is the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer.
As Tana Manjanu says.
I know, this noise literally sounds like my pussy. It's then.
Let's see what he does.
Of course, I'm just going to go in with the Beauty Blender and get some on the tip.
What was that shade? I'm gonna need you to not, before you get cut.
And put it right under my eyes.
So he's just putting it on the under eyes, which you guys know me. I like to put my concealer everywhere. So I'm just gonna do what he says and apply it on the under eyes only. So he blends it out. Let me see what happens next.
Fix in shade Shivering.
Okay, I actually like Shivering White from MAC. I actually lost my Shivering White from MAC like months ago, so I actually couldn't use that, but I did have it at one point. But that's an actual good product. So I don't have something like that right now, so I'm just gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder.
I don't have that either. I have like 2 setting powders. I have one for like my other color foundation, and then I have my Powder Fix Trice Libre. That's what it says.
And I'm just going to use that to set my under eyes. So I'm just gonna blend out my under eyes. How does he do this?
White with the damp Beauty Blender. I've been doing
Okay, he uses it with a damp beauty blender. Okay, cool.
Alright, now we're going to really set the under eyes and anywhere where I put concealer, like the chin, the bridge of my nose, and of course the forehead. And I'm going to go in with my favorite setting powder of all time, the La Mer The Bow.
Girl, that's this girl Jeffree has money.
Money! He got money!
Skin, and you can leave it and just have it sit there for a minute while it soaks in, and you can brush it away in a second.
Oh, so he puts more powder under his, okay. I'm gonna do the same thing with my Maybelline powder, cause girl, we cannot afford La Mer in this house. We have bills to pay.
I'm just gonna use a Sephora powder and then just do like what he's doing.
So he just like kind of like dusts it all around.
And now it's time to do a little bit of contour, if you will. So today I'm going to be going in with a brand new bronzer, and it is from the brand Marc Jacobs.
I have this one.
Oh, could you jump on the bandwagon and had to get the same Marc Jacobs one as everyone else? Oh my god, how original.
And yes, she's pigmented. And I actually don't like this brush for this bronzer. I think it's too bulky.
I wish I had that big ass brush.
But we shall make do.
My new favorite combination is Peach Goddess with
Oh, see girl, I definitely don't have those.
I do. I ain't got the black one, but I got the chrome ring.
It looks like he's using a pinky highlighter. I'm gonna go into the Ofra, this new Ofra highlighter called Pillow Talk. It doesn't look the same, but mine's pinky too. And I don't have that brush anymore, so I'm gonna go into a synthetic. I'm gonna go into the Makeup Shack T38 brush. I guess we're just going to dig in.
Dig in? Of course we're gonna dig in.
Like I said, Ofra highlighters are banging. I kind of forgot how much I loved Ofra highlighters. How does he highlight? Why does he bring it into his cheek like that? Like he brings it almost right into here. So I guess I'm gonna do that too.
Because he has a different shape face than you, and that's where his cheeks go, because that's where he fills them, so.
But like it definitely highlights the fact that I have pores.
Alright, now let's get these eyes started. Today we're going to be using the YSL Couture Eye.
Damn, bitch, you got money!
Me and Jeffree got the same bracelets, but guess what? I ain't rocking no YSL makeup because I'm not gonna spend that much money on makeup. I wear one. Okay? Get on that PR list. And you can have some YSL makeup. Okay? Over here sound like Sarah Palin. Girl, my hand's dirty. There's muses in Alaska.
Girl, no, I'm gonna be using the exact same concealer I was using. Cause YSL, bitch. YSL eye primer. No, girl. I'm gonna go in with this. Oh, girl, I don't have that.
Hey, sister.
Alright, sisters!
I do not have that.
And one of them, which is the main star of the look, is Charm, my
Charm. So I have this Kathleen Lights and ColourPop Dream Street palette that kind of has kind of the same tones as the Jeffree Star palette.
Me too.
But I'm gonna go into this shade that, what is shaded? What is this? Magical or Stardust? I don't know. It's either Magical or Stardust. And use that. And he's using Charm. So let's see what he does.
Favorite transition color for really any look. And we're literally just...
Well, so this is gonna be fun because y'all know I do not ever do eyeshadow. I still haven't really figured out like what color he's using. I mean, I'm gonna go with like this this orange. Okay, let's just go with this orange or whatever.
I'm gonna go like this. And that is like a little placeholder for where I'm...
So he's starting to put it in his inner corner.
Start there, and now we're going to take this brush with the same, of course, shadow, and we're going to go all the way over.
Okay.
Girl, I'm scared too. That was a lot. He just like drug it like it was like a marker.
What are you doing, Miss Jeffree? I'm gonna go into this Colored Rain Queen of Hearts palette instead. This has like a little bit of a darker orange right here. And I'm gonna start to use that one because his orange looks a little bit more darker and a little bit more pigmented. So I'm gonna just like dip into this Queen of Hearts palette and then do the same thing again. Oh yeah, that looks better. So I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm a little bit concerned.
And what I quickly did off camera is I took a blending brush.
Oh, did ya now? You did it off camera, did ya? Oh, interesting. Oh.
Oh my god, coming from my Sarah Palin.
Okay, well.
And I just kind of feathered it out, barely with any product on the...
Okay, so he just feathered it out with barely any product on the brush. So, I guess I'm gonna do that. Girl, Jeffree Star. Sister. Sisters.
And now we're going to take a tiny little MAC detailer brush. This is the 221. And we are going to dip into shade Dominatrix, this beautiful dark chocolate shade right here.
This one from the Queen of Hearts palette looks a little bit less intimidating. Because that's kind of dark. Yeah, I might just go into Duchess, because Duchess seems less intimidating. I guess I'm going to massage this into my crease as well. I don't have a deep socket like he does, so I don't know how this is going to look.
Give us that really dramatic look.
So he kind of tilt over and he's kind of doing like these little motions, so...
Fuck it, we're just gonna use this hoe. We're just gonna use this hoe, right here. This hoe.
We just gotta smoke out the under, but before I do that, I'm just gonna go back into Eclipse really quickly with the brush we put on the primer. And we're just gonna go right below the brow bone, and we're just gonna...
Okay.
Tack on some Eclipse right in the arch of my brow, just so it gives it a more uplifted look. Alright, now we're gonna go in with one of my all-time favorite black liners. This is Smolder from MAC, and I am just going to put this in my waterline quickly, and then...
Okay, I don't have Smolder from MAC, so I'm going to use my favorite black eyeliner.
I don't have Smolder from MAC, so I'm gonna use my favorite eyeliner.
Now it's time for the lip.
Okay, so I'm going to quickly curl my lashes. So I'm going to quickly curl my lashes, put on mascara, and then put on my lashes, and then I'll be right back.
Oh wait, okay, so we gotta do some mascaras and some shit. Okay, hurry up.
With the Marc Jacobs Liquid Lip Cream in shade, what is this one called again? Yours to Try. This is a beautiful...
Okay, I used to have these. I honestly don't know where they are.
Well, I don't, because I don't do lips, but I do have a nude lip that I got from Brittany, so thanks, B.
So I'm gonna look for them real fast. BRB. A lot of my stuff is packed up, so I couldn't find Yours to Try, but I did find Fawn Over Me. So hopefully it looks the same. Probably not, but who cares?
I care, because he's supposed to be doing what he's doing.
Beautiful, warm toned nude color. I think it's gonna go perfect with this eye look.
Okay. Are you sure his is Yours to Try? Because this looks like the exact same. I think his is Fawn Over Me, to be honest. And he didn't use a lip liner or nothing, so. Let's see what else he's giving.
Lips are on. Ooh, I love this color combo right now. Alright, I think the only thing left to do is set the face, and not to sound like this is a coconut Marc Jacobs horror ad, but they also came out with a brand new setting spray, and I just got all this stuff in the mail right before.
Okay, I don't have that with me. I actually
I don't either, so.
gave that away because I don't like coconut. I'm going to use the Morphe setting spray to set my face.
I'm going to use MAC Prep and Prime, and then I also have Urban Decay All Nighter.
Thomas in all caps.
And you can use Thomas in all caps for Morphe code. Sorry, we like to use James Charles.
If you want to get money off your order at Morphe Brush.
Hey sisters. Oh girl, we spraying. Okay, so I do this one first. Whew, girl. And while that one's wet, we do Urban Decay All Nighter.
Cool.
Oh, girl, like that damp. Girl, it gotta damp it. Okay, so this is my outcome. This is me following Thomas, following Jeffree Star's makeup tutorial. It was already cut off from him doing it, so he only edited in so much of Jeffree, so then I only got to see so much of Jeffree's and like what he did. This is my rendition of it, and if you like it, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell notification. I always put it down right here, and just let me know if I should do anyone else's, if you liked it, if you hated it. Stay tuned because Brittany's going to be doing the same thing, but I'm not going to tell you who she did. Wait and see what that is. Don't let me catch you hating on Jeffree Star, because she my bee. Okay, but yeah, thank y'all so much, and I hope you enjoyed it. Peace! Oh, whose fingernail done dug up in my highlighter? Oh, I'm all mad over here acting like someone else has been in my makeup and it's only been me. But I wouldn't do that. Oh, rude.